Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about a game-changing product that is going to make your life so much easier. Introducing the portable washing machine. This mini washer has an 11L upgraded large capacity, making it perfect for deep cleaning your underwear, baby clothes, and other small items. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable, making it ideal for apartments, dormitories, hotels, and even for travel or camping. Not only is this portable washing machine convenient and easy to use, but it is also made of TPE and food-grade silicone material, ensuring the health and safety of you and your family. With its powerful decontamination capabilities and easy-to-operate functions, it's the perfect solution for all your small laundry needs. And the best part? It comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence. So why wait? Say goodbye to the hassle and expense of laundry mats and get your own portable washing machine today. Check out the link in the description to get yours now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing products like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.